All right, I'm almost finished with my spring wardrobe edit, but there are a few things that still need to go because I literally do not wear a lot of this jewelry. So I'm about to purge some of this jewelry. I want to make this nicer. I want to have a few select pieces that I actually wear often. That's my goal, okay? The goal is to make sure that everything is worn and loved in this closet. All right, so looks like I've condensed everything down to what we have here, and it's not a lot, which is good because I just realized that I have a lot of jewelry that I used to sell, and it's emotional attachment, not necessarily anything that I want to wear or really like. It's just, yeah, emotional. This was cute. I got this from Target, but it is broken. The clasp is here, and I don't like the way that it hangs on my neck. So I'm gonna fix it, and I don't know. I'm gonna fix it, but I don't think I'm gonna keep it because I really don't wear it. Oh, let me show you what I use to fix jewelry because, like I said, I used to sell jewelry, had a little jewelry company and everything, so I have all the tools. All right, so I have these little pliers. Made a lot of jewelry with these pliers back in the day. Dang, that's crazy. That's back in the day now. And I'm talking about 2016. Oh, anyway, so this is like a link remover. If you need a link removed out of a watch, that's what this thing is here. And then this helps to like cut wires, and then this helps to curl the wire or clamp it. So let me show you in action how it works. And this is nice because a lot of times these little jump rings, they come open. So I hope you can see this. So I'm just going to open this a little bit more. Actually, I like to hold one side and then pull with these here. That's kind of like how I used to do it. See, now it's open. All right, so now it's open. So all I'm going to do is grab the necklace and drop the um, end that broke off back in here, like so. Back on here. Stabilize it. Put it. This is really tight. Are we going to do it? Is it going to get done? Or will this necklace be ruined and good for the garbage? Okay, let's see. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Y'all know I don't give up now. I'm not gonna give up. We got it. Look, it's in there. We did it. Okay, so now, as you can see, it's open. So now I'm just gonna close it. You gotta go slow with this part because this stuff is a little cheap. And it's closed. Can you see? It's closed. Look at that. Ow, ow. And it's back working just like it was never broke. And that is how you fix any necklace. Ow, bam. All right, so I'm going to clear this out and then vacuum everything because that is a part of my spring clean and edit. Gotta make sure everything is nice and clean. All right, so let me do that real quick. Look, brand new, never worn. Literally feel like I'm going shopping again. All right, so I found some stuff that I still don't want to part with, but I never use this. A fan. I just like this. And this cute little head piece. It's like a Cleopatra. Ooh. And I'm surprised that oh, look what else. This is why you have to go through your stuff. Like, this is real time shock. This is my other, what is this from? My other piece from Alex and Ani. What you think? What it look like? Maybe with some makeup, it would look cute, but as of right now, it's a no for me. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah. All right. So I'm going to just start with this amount of jewelry. And if I see something nice that I want to invest in, then I'll probably get better jewelry. Oh, I forgot to put this up. So here's a quick tip. If you have nice jewelry that's like given to you or real gold and you want to keep it nice, just put it in like a cellophane bag and keep it sealed, because what makes the jewelry tarnish is air and oil. So I have like some diamonds that I bought a long time ago. It's a diamond set. It was a bracelet, earrings, necklace. Um, yeah. And so I was like, I'm gonna keep this because I know at some point in time I want to restore it, and I don't want it to be like all messed up. And then I had these. Ooh, I had these heart earrings. I think these was my grandmother's. Yeah, so I kept those in here too. I wanted to protect them. And it's a little heart. Oh, I actually want to wear this. Let me show you. Okay, so these are the pieces that was tucked away. And I want to say these were my grandmother's. I have to send my mom a picture or FaceTime and ask her. And then this is a charm. Yeah, I could see myself wearing this. See, this is why you have to go through your stuff, man. Wear your stuff. Yes, I just need a nice necklace, and this would be too cute. And I just want to wear stuff that means stuff to me, you know? I want to wear what matters, not just something that's just store bought with no significance.